Okay, when you buy these fans from Bluedri, you get two different kinds and they're both the same. And the older ones are with the metal grates, and the newer ones are with the plastic grates. And there's some different, the newer ones are a lot better. For one thing, you could see the grate there, and here they both have GFI and 3 speeds, but you see the metal grate, and here it has a metal grate. But on this, the cord, this part right here is a little bit shorter, and you can't always wrap it all the way around. And on this one, the cord, this part's a little bit longer. And you could, and by the way this one stacks versus the one that one stacks, this one stacks up straighter, and this one leans forward a little bit when you stack 3 or 4. And this one, you can see the side, and this is plastic. And then when you go in here, it has a plastic grate, and then on the side here, it's a plastic grate. It's more like a dry ease fan versus the Omni fan. This one's more like. And so, and we can listen to it. I think they're both a 3rd horsepower, but I think this one has a little bit more powerful. Listen to the way it sounds. I guess you can't see. Maybe. And then we'll listen to this one. And the color's a little bit different. The difference between this one. But listen to this sound. And listen to this sound. You know, I could be wrong. I'm going to get my wind meter to see, but I think this one actually blows more air, you know. So here they are, you know, and for $89 a piece, they're both great. But if you can, try to get the one with the plastic. It might break, you know, because it's plastic, but it's a nicer fan. Well, thanks for watching.